Hi friends, welcome back to Navin Studio. In today's session, we are going to see how to draw a beautiful color wheel chart. I hope this video will helpful for beginners. In this video, I have used poster colors. If you possible, you can use acrylic colors or watercolor also. Thank you for watching. Let's go to video.
First step, you want to draw a circle. That circle, how much size you need, you can draw that. Then you draw a vertical line through the center point. Then horizontal line also want to draw. Then approximately you want to divide 3 parts in every part. See, through the center point you want to draw one more lines. So in all parts you want to draw like that dividing lines. Step 2, you want to take primary colors, red, yellow and blue colors. They are called primary colors. Okay, first you want to shade red color in particular part. Yes, after complete red colors, you want to leave it 3 parts. Then in 4th part you want shade yellow color. So completely shade slowly, don't shade outside the lines. Then after complete yellow colors, you leave it 3 parts. In 4th part you want shade blue color. Yeah, slowly. Yes, over. Then if you mix red and yellow colors, you will get orange. So that orange color you can shade directly, otherwise you can mix and shade. If you mix yellow and red, you can get orange. Yeah, that orange color you can shade. You can shade directly also, that because that orange color I have directly given every part. Okay, then I want to mix yellow and blue colors. If you mix yellow and blue colors, you will get green colors. You can mix and shade, otherwise the green color you can directly you can shade. Then after green colors, you want to mix and shade red and blue colors. If you mix together, you will get violet. If you have direct violet color, you can shade, otherwise you mix red and blue colors. Now you want to shade reddish orange. If you take little bit red colors and orange colors, it will come reddish orange. So that means red you want to take 3 drops, orange you can take 2 drops. It will come reddish orange. Yes, over. Then so reddish orange is a tertiary colors. Now we are going to share tertiary colors. And then yellowish orange. So yellow 3 parts, orange 1 part you can take. So yellowish orange will come. Then you want to mix and shade a green and yellow color. If you mix together, we can get yellowish green. Yellowish green. Yeah, little bit yellow colors and little bit green colors you mix and shade, it will come yellowish green color. shade slowly. Yes, over. Then if you mix blue color and green color, you will get bluish green. So take one part blue colors and take one part green colors, we mix together, we will get bluish green. Then bluish violet, one part blue colors and one part violet colors you want to take and mix, you will get bluish violet. Yes, mix properly. Want to shade properly, don't shade outside the lines. While shading the colors, shade carefully. Then a reddish violet. If you need a reddish violet colors, take one part red color and one part violet colors, mix together. Yes, a reddish violet. Yeah, shade slowly. Yes, our color will over. Now after dry, you want to divide with marker or block pen or pencils, anything can use. So in every part divide and show, then only that all colors it will visible properly. Every part you want to divide, use scale. Okay friends, we have completed. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for beginners. Thank you for watching.